In today's video... Oh no, the motor's over here. What should I do? I think I found something. Shimmy and fafa. Guys, this is so much fun! Look at this! This is a very nice woods, right guys? Guys, there's a rabbit, look! Aw, it went. Woohoo! Guys, look, there's coyotes there. Should I go there? Oh no, I'm inside. I hope a coyote is not coming. I'm scared, but this trail is very nice. Should I go out? I think I found something. I think it's a caveman hat. I'm confused. But let's continue the journey. Woo! Guys, look, there's a pond over there. I think there's a crocodile in there. Overheated. I have to cool it down or I will be stuck here. I'm stuck in the middle of the woods. I don't know what I should do and the sun is going down. What should I do? I'm kind of scared if a coyote comes. This should cool things down fast. Yes, I did it. The motor is fixed. All set. Time to go back on trail. Think smart, act fast, and keep riding. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!